Welcome to this BoldDesk tutorial. In this video, I will show you how BoldDesk's redaction feature helps protect sensitive customer data. BoldDesk's data redaction feature enables users to protect customers' sensitive information, including email addresses, phone numbers, social security numbers, and credit card information, keeping data secure, ensuring compliance, and building customer trust. To get started, I log into my BoldDesk account as an administrator. I go to the admin module and open the Security and Compliance page. Navigate to the Data Redaction tab and enable the Redact Sensitive Data feature to open the dialog box. I select the rules that fit the organization and click Enable to complete the setup. Say a customer submits a support ticket that includes their credit card number while describing a billing issue. With this feature enabled, the credit card number is automatically hidden, ensuring that agents can resolve the issue without ever seeing the sensitive data. But I need to see the emails of customers to help them with their account billing history. You can deactivate redaction rules by choosing Deactivate from the More Actions option. So I click on the More Options on the email rule and deactivate it. Now in Tickets and Conversations, my customers' credit or debit card numbers would be hidden, while showing their email address. All the deactivated rules will be moved to the Inactive tab. I can activate this rule again if needed. You now know how to use BoldDesk's redaction feature to protect sensitive customer data and stay compliant with privacy regulations. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.